Now, here are some questions to help you get started. What do you think about this city? This city is very interesting. It is about discovering a culture very different from the one I have and wish I know. Where is the city located? This city is located in the south of Egypt. Would you like to visit this city? This city is something different that I had never thought of visiting, but it draws my attention because there are many interesting things to learn and discover. Read the statements and write true or false. The strip is a street with a lot of hotels. That is true. Busy sigil with the first hotel and gambling casino on the strip. That is false. Gangster built many hotels in Las Vegas. That is true. The mafia is very important in Las Vegas today. That is false. Businessmen own many of the hotels. That is true. Hotels in Las Vegas are expensive. That is true. You can get married in Las Vegas very quickly. That is true. Not many foreign tourists visit Las Vegas. That is false. Answer the questions. Write two ways that Las Vegas was different in the 1940 and 1950 from the way it is today. Las Vegas was used by gangsters to launder dirty money and generate profits. When the capitalists realized that the casinos were profitable, they bought the gangsters and they moved away. Now people say that Las Vegas was better with the mafia than Sharks because things were cheaper, which means that nowadays people consider Las Vegas to be an expensive city. Write two ways that Las Vegas is the same as it was in 1950. They are still working in Las Vegas and are the main source of income. Read the skills. What is the main idea of each one? The main idea of the first part is that people know how the Las Vegas worked previously and by when the casinos were built. The main idea of the second part is related to the first because the writer wants to make know how Las Vegas worked from the construction of the casino and how the mafia was eliminated from this place. What divides to two parts? Look for grammatical clues. The first part talks about past decades, and the second part talks about today. What idea does each paragraph discuss? The first paragraph talks about the first hotels and casino and says for what purpose the casinos were built. The second paragraph paragraph says how the mafia was eliminated and how there are people in this disagreement because they say that the economy was better at that time. Talk about your ideas. Would you like the vacation in Las Vegas? Why or why not? Yes, I would like because it is very interesting place today. In addition to glamping, there are also many places for sightseeing. Would you like to live in Las Vegas? Why or why not? For me, Las Vegas is a place to go for a walk and get to know but the life in that place. I will do it with